Hey everybody, it's May the 8th and I've just built a fire down here in the shop. I don't know what the deal is with this weather, but it's been cool and rainy and things. We've had a few nice days, but majority of them's been pretty cool and wet and stuff. I've got hay ready to mow. Just think we ain't had the weather to do it. What we're gonna do today is get our trailer that we fixed, get it moved out of here, and I've got a disc out there. We're gonna build a basket to go on to carry things and get it moved in here and get started on that project. But Tiffany and the boys, they went out to Missouri. They left this morning going to her mom's. Tiffany's birthday is tomorrow, and of course Mother's Day this weekend and things. I'd like to have went with them, but we're kind of supposed to be on call, kind of be around for school and stuff in case they need us to come in for some reason or whatever. Doubt that would have happened, but I didn't really want to take a chance on it and get in trouble. They're not going to come back till Tuesday. Plus I had these things I just need to get done, but I hate not to be with her on her birthday and Mother's Day and things, but I'm glad she's able to be with her mom. But I guess we'll try to get started on this stuff, and hopefully I'd like to get that disc done today, because I'd like to be able to get my disc mower hooked up and get it in the shop and get it checked out and stuff for when we do have some nice weather, to where I can get started. And I've got a couple more hay balers to go through and get greased and serviced and ready to go. I don't like to wait the last minute and go out Dad's and get my hay tethers out of the shed and get them brought out here. Got a lot of stuff to do for my own self. I feel obligated to get these other jobs done first. That's for other people, so we'll get that done and see where that takes us. But I appreciate all of you that subscribed recently, and means a lot to me. If you're new watching this, please subscribe. Some videos are better than others. Of course, everybody's are like that. Some you like more than others and stuff, and I need to take a little more time to catch more angles and explain things a little more, but I get in a hurry doing these jobs and projects and like to get into it and get it done and not fool around. You pretty well see the real deal, I guess. But anyways, we'll get started here. Go over here and get some of this stuff moved around. We got our post welded on. The basket is actually going to stick on out here farther, but there was no way to put the legs out there and it actually work out. So that's the reason we did it the way we did, or I did. And then we're going to take a piece of angle here and let it stick on out farther to make the basket bigger, as big as it wants. Alright, we got our basket done on this disc. I didn't video a whole lot of actually working on it. What he was wanting this for is to carry grass seed and fertilize and that kind of thing in it, and or if he wants to put weight in there, he can put weight in there. But another thing he was wanting was a tool, a way to carry tools without them being in here so they didn't puncture his bags. So what we come up with is I took a piece of angle iron and put across there, and then back here on the back I've got little rings that hooks into. There's 4 of those, and that way it holds the handle part of the rake up or whatever you have in there. And I've got a notch right here in this piece of angle. Slide it right in there, shovel. And then there's one here designated basically for a matic. The matic won't work in any of the other spots. This one right here is for the matic. See in there how I did it. I keep saying we because I'm used to doing this kind of stuff at school where it's the group I was doing it. And then I have these little loops that the handles go in. Hopefully he'll like that. I believe it'll do good. But thanks for watching. If you will, please like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button. Have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.